Let us study from the sum applications of trigonometry exercise 9.1. That one first question. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. Then how to solve this one? See, we can draw the diagram like this. We can draw the diagram like this. So this is the sum of application of trigonometry. So you can draw like this. So this is the pole and the circle artist will be here. From here he is climbing up to the top of the pole. So this is given 20 meter and we need to find the height of this pole, and the angle of elevation this is given as 30 degree. So you can write, let AB pole be h meter height, and that AB is equal to h meter, and BC is equal to 20 meter, angle BCA is equal to 30 degree, that is theta. So in right triangle BAC we can write BAC right angle triangle. What you can write? Can you write? We need this one, so you can take sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, you can write, this is theta means this is perpendicular, this is base, and this is your hypotenuse, correct? So sin theta is equal to AB by BC, you can write. So this can be written as theta is 30 degree, so sin 30 degree is equal to AB, we don't know, that is h. BC we know that 20 meter, here BC is 20 meter, this one. So now you can write what is the value of sin 30. Sin 30 we know the value, since sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, you can write here 1 by 2 is equal to h by 20. So cross multiply here, you will get 20 is equal to 2h, or you can take h is equal to 20 by 2, so 2 1 za 2 10 za, so that is h is equal to 10. So given the distance is in meter, so you can write, hence this implies the height of the, you can compute the height of the pole. The pole is 10 meter. Height of the pole is 10 meter. So let us go for next one, question number 2. So question number 2 is given here. What is that? Question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part of bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. This we need to find. So solution we will see. For question number 2, there is a tree A to B tall and it breaks at the point C. So this BC will come and touch to the point D here. So BC will be equal to CD here. The angle of elevation is 30 degree and the distance from here to here it is given that 8 meter in the question. That is, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends to the, so that the top of the tree, this one touches to the ground here, okay, at the angle of, making the angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree and the point where the top touches, this top touches here, and the distance of the foot from the tree is given 8 meter. So now you can write here, let AB be broken at C and AB be the tree broken at C. So B touches the ground at D, capital D, such that BC is equal to CD. So this BC is equal to CD, okay. Then making at angle ADC is equal to 30 degree and AD is equal to 8 meter. So now you can write this one. So this is the given right angle triangle. In the triangle, right angle triangle ADC means this one, ADC, this one, this is 90 degree. So you can apply here, this is given means we need to find this one. So how to find this one? So you can apply tan 30 degree or tan theta you can apply. If you apply tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. Here perpendicular is nothing but what? Here AC is the perpendicular and AD is the base. AD is the base you can take. So here tan theta means what? Tan 30 degree, which is equal to AC by AD. But tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3, correct, which is equal to what? AC we don't know, we need to find. AD is given already, it is 8. So this is nothing but what? AC is equal to, if you cross multiply you will get 8 by root 3 meter. 8 by root 3 meter you will get, correct. 8 by root 3 meter you will get. Next, if you define cos theta here, cos theta will be base by hypotenuse, so AD by CD it is, AD by CD. So you can write here cos theta is equal to AD by CD you can take. AD means base, this one, this is base and this is your hypotenuse CD, okay. So here cos theta is equal to AD by CD. So cos theta means here again it is cos 30 degree, which is equal to AD is given already, it is 8 meter, okay, 8 meter divided by CD we don't know, we need to find. So cos 30 already we know that root 3 by 2, this is the value, so this is 8 by CD. So you can write here CD root 3 is equal to 8 into 2 is 16 if cross multiplication. So here it will be CD is equal to 16 by root 3 meter you will get, okay. After getting CD is equal to 16 by root 3, CD means this one, CD means this is you are getting now 16 root 3, correct. After getting 16 root 3, here you know that CD is equal to BC. It is given that here CD is equal to BC, where here CD is equal to BC means whatever the distance is there from here to here, that will be from here to here. Then this AC already we know that 8 by root 3, so you can take like this, CD is equal to 16 by root 3 means you can take, now we know that BC is equal to CD is equal to 16 by root 3 meter. So now we need height of the tree. So how to find the height of the tree? Height of the tree, that is nothing but AB, which is equal to AC plus BC. So AB is equal to what? What is AC? AC is given already here 8 by root 3 plus what is BC? Just now we solved. BC is nothing but 16 by root 3. So you can take AB is equal to root 3 is LCM. So you can take 8 plus 16. So what is this? AB is equal to 8 plus 16 is 24 by root 3. Or this can be also written as AB is equal to 24 can be written as 3 into 8 divided by root 3. So or, so AB is equal to 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, correct, into 8 divided by root 3. 1 root 3 get cancels. So AB is equal to, here it is remaining 8 root 3 meter you can. Therefore you can conclude that here, therefore the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter, okay.